Out of 5 or 6 unit, if you are thorough with 4 unit, that is sufficient to score 80 mark. 5 mark as well as 110 mark question we can expect from your unit 1. Whatever the new business you are starting up, the tax portion should be less. You have 10 lakh, you should invest the 10 lakh, or else you should borrow from bank and invest 10 lakh. Hello everyone, this is your ALsir here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are discussing the topic called corporate tax planning. Now, so you have already done your income tax as well as indirect tax. Income tax, in the sense we call it as direct taxation, you have already done in your 3rd as well as 4th semester. Now we are discussing part of your direct as well as indirect. Now, corporate tax planning means what? You have indirect tax also. In the indirect taxation, you will get your GST part. Now, corporate tax planning means what, and what will come under corporate tax planning? As per my knowledge, one of the most easiest as well as scoring topic, if you want, then this is a topic you can score well. So you have few topics which are related to corporate. Corporate in the sense of companies. So what kind of transaction or calculation we have to do in case of tax part? Each and everything we will learn better while doing your corporate tax planning. So these are the syllabus part in your corporate tax planning. In this, almost 80% your syllabus part is easy, and balance 20% we can call it as not tough, but it is not much easier. Now, introduction part, it is all about theory part. Your tax planning for new business, easiest one. Tax planning and financial management decision, special tax provisions, amalgamation and tax payment. These are the topics we have in your syllabus. As I told you, almost 80% we can call it as easiest one, and balance 20% we can call it as not much easier, which is that only the amalgamation portion. So even though you can skip in your examination, why? Because you out of 5 or 6 unit, if you are thorough with 4 unit, that is sufficient to score 80 mark. Now, so we'll cover up amalgamation at the end. Before that, we'll cover all these topics. First thing we call it as corporate tax, your introduction part. Introduction part, it is all about theory. Your 5 mark as well as 110 mark question we can expect from your unit 1. What is corporate tax and tax planning? Tax evasion, tax avoidance. Intentionally if you do, then what will be that? And purposefully, like you have some plans like how can I save tax? Like by doing investment, by giving for donation, charity purpose, or as investment in the LIC or your PF thing. Everything we call it as your tax evasion as well as tax avoidance. These things will come later while doing the particular topic. Tax management, dividend tax. Yeah, this we call it as dividend distribution tax. I'll explain you about this while doing the unit number 1. Domestic company as well as foreign company. What will be the tax slab for domestic and what will be the tax slab for foreign company? Everything we will learn while doing this topic. Tax planning for new business. Like if you want to avoid your tax, if you want to save your tax, there are 2 things are there. You can start your business as company, or else you can start your business as partnership. So in this unit, what we are going to do is we do normal calculation for company. We do normal calculation for partnership. Later, we'll check which one you have to pay more tax. Then, which one you are supposed to pay more tax, we don't consider that. Which one we are paying less tax, we will consider, because These are called tax planning for new business. Whatever the new business you are starting up, the tax portion should be less, minimum. So that is called as tax planning for new business. Your 15-mark question cover up in this topic. Next one, tax planning and financial management decision. Now, tax planning and financial management decision, like the management can take decision like, for example, you have purchased a machinery in 2020. In 2030, the lifespan of the machinery is 10 years. Now, in 2030, what we will do? Should we go with same machinery? Like we can repair, we can alter, again you can use it for 5 years. Or else should you go for new machinery? Repair or purchase. These are the things called as management decisions. Or you should go for hire purchase or else purchase. You should go for lease or acquisition. You should go for loan fund, or loan fund also we call it as borrowed fund or own fund. You have 10 lakh, you should invest the 10 lakh, or else you should borrow from bank and invest 10 lakh. These are the things, so as a management they should take decision. These are called as tax planning and financial management decisions. See, tax planning in respect of own or lease, sale of asset are used for scientific research, make or buy. See, you have manufactured something, you have something extra for that, you should only manufacture or else you should buy from outside. Make or buy decision. Repair or replace, renewal or renovation, shut down or continue. These are your managerial decisions. Hope you are clear? Yes. These are tax planning and financial management decisions. Special tax provisions, like in respect of free trade, in respect of infrastructure, backward areas, in respect of tax incentive and exporters. These are the things we have to learn, the theory part as well as small problems on these topics, special tax provisions. And next thing we go for amalgamation. As I told you, in your syllabus, the little complicated topic we can call it as amalgamation. Not much complicated. If you understand the concept, this is also one of the easiest topic. But compared to other topic, we can call it as it is not much easier, but we'll complete many problems on this. If you feel easy, go ahead for your examination. Tax payments. So these are completely your direct tax related. Like in this, we go for TDS, simple calculation. We go for your tax collection, TCS. I'll explain you what is TDS and what is TCS while doing this particular topic. Relief for double taxation. No need to pay double tax. ADT agreement. What is ADT agreement? Double tax avoidance. Double tax avoidance. That is called ADT agreement. Modes of granting relief from double tax avoidance. So same thing. These are the topics we are going to cover while doing this particular topic. So your class planner, how long do we take to complete this class? Few topics are there which are very lengthy, like your managerial decisions. There are, you have make or buy decisions are there, lease or purchase, own fund or borrowed fund, repair or replace. Each thing, if you go for 2 or 3 problems also, it takes much time. So I planned for 45 to 50 sessions. So how many sessions I require? I require minimum 45 to 50 sessions to complete your particular topic, including amalgamation. Each session will be for 30 minutes. 30 minutes in the sense, how long does it take? It takes minimum 25 hours, not minimum, maximum. Maximum it takes 25 hours to complete your whole syllabus of corporate tax planning. If you spend almost, how many hours you have in your day? 24 hours. If you spend one complete day in your semester, we can complete this corporate tax planning. So last time the good result we got, that is a subject called corporate tax planning. So we got 100% result in corporate tax planning. I expect the same thing from you, and one of the easiest topic you have in your 6th semester. So internal portions. So internal portions I have not done exactly in this. These only tentative portions for you. If you have 3 internals, then this will be your portion. If you have 2 internals, these 2 topics will be added in your internal 1 or internal 2. So these are your examination or question paper pattern. You know very well about your pattern. What you had for your 5th semester, the same pattern going to come in your 6th semester also. 5 into 4, 20 marks. Again 30, 30. Total it will carry 80 marks. Books for reference. What are the books you are supposed to refer for your examination? Corporate Tax Planning by Dr. Vinod K. and your Direct Tax Law by T.N. Manoharan. These are the 2 books I can refer you to for your corporate tax planning preparation. But as per my suggestion, never go with all these books, because each book comes around 8,000 to 1,200 pages. You cannot refer 1,000 to 1,200 pages just for one semester. So whatever notes provided by college, that is more than sufficient for your 80 marks paper. Along with that, if you want any further studies or further reference, you can go for these books. So what will be the learning outcome from this book? Learning outcome is very simple. This paper aims student to have understanding in the taxation provision meant for corporate as well as partnership firm in making decision through tax planning. Normally what happens regarding by your return on investment, your profit, on that we are supposed to decide should we go for business or partnership. Now with the help of taxation also you can plan should we go for company or partnership. You will understand better while doing one by one topics. Now, so I'll go back to all the slides so that you can take screenshot. So these are your syllabus, your introduction part, tax planning for new business, tax planning and financial management decision, special tax provisions, amalgamation, tax payment, class planner, your internal portions, question paper pattern, books for reference, your learning outcome. So this is all about your today's session. I gave you just a brief introduction about your topic called corporate tax planning. So we'll go in detail while doing individual topics, one of the most interesting as well as marks oriented. If you're planning for your centum, there is a topic, there is a subject for your centum. Your last semester, I hope you get centum in this particular topic. Thank you.